Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. I received an email this morning from an English mate of mine who he's been, I think I have 32 years in the business. He has 35. And he's a very knowledgeable man. Obviously was a pit trader originally and was able to make the transition from pit trader to office trader. And when he writes, he reads my commentaries daily, and when he writes, I listen, and I usually spread his word with my readers, and I will include what he wrote this morning in my commentary this evening. But the gist of what he wrote today was these markets are so crazy, even for the market veterans like himself, like myself, like anyone who has 15, 20 years, 30 years in the industry. This is no time to be shooting from the hip. This is no time to be over trading because even though we could be right, even though this could be the time for the correction, correction on Wall Street, that is, anything could happen. Or maybe Libya gets resolved and everything turns around, really quick. And even though it is, even though it is correction time, you're looking the S&P's 20-handle loser in your face, and quickly. So, at these times, you just have to mind your eye, trade small, use tight stops, shall we say. I personally, I've had a good start to things. I sort of got it wrong a little bit yesterday, but I had a really good President's Day, and like I wrote in my commentary last night, my two-day tally was a positive, a plus. So and that's what it's all about. I look at my P&L on a weekly basis, and I actually haven't had a losing week since October. I've had a hell of a run, and as my clients will know, my writing reflects my opinions of the market. Moving into today, I still I felt that we would get a follow through higher in the bonds and a follow through lower in the indices. It looks like the Nasdaq could struggle to get lower on the day, but I still feel that the SPOOs, the SPOOs and the Dow futures, have a shot at exceeding yesterday's lows. What you do after that point, that's up to you. I have some levels below. You put up your Fibonacci levels. They're there. There's levels to buy this stuff, and I just I sense that if we do trade the new lows today, I probably want to buy it. So use your levels. Do your homework. And as I tell all my readers, if you don't want to do your homework, I do it for you. So that's about all I have. This is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Have a good day. Cheers.